Sorry about that. I think this cut out. Okay. So we simplified T2 over T1 there. So that gave us K over 2. So how do I get K on its own? I multiply throughout by 2. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. K. 2. So your R value is K over 2. So therefore K is never equal to 0. But as I said this year, they won't penalize you anymore. Okay. You all understand? Must I do it again? Huh? Who said I must do it again? Why are you not going to be here this afternoon? Have you changed your mind already? Please change your mind. I need you to be here. People, it's compulsory to be in this afternoon's lesson. Okay, for which value or values of K will the series converge? Series will converge if and only if R is greater than negative 1 but less than 1. So what's my R value? It's going to be T2 over T1. So Tk, 4k cubed over 8k squared must be greater than negative 1 but less than 1. That cancels. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. So it's 1 over 2. K squared cancel with 2 over 3 there. So it will be K over 2 must be greater than negative 1 but less than 1. Now we can multiply throughout by 2 to get rid of the, sorry about that, to get rid of the denominator. So it's going to be negative 2k. Okay, you understand? Alright, so let's go to number 2. The second part of the question says, calculate the sum of the series to infinity if k is equal to negative 1.5. So to calculate the sum to infinity, what do I need? It will be a over 1 minus r. Not so. So my k value, can you see it? My a value is 16k. I could have put 16k there if you like, over 1 minus k over 2 and simplified it and all of those things, and then we'll substitute in the calculator. Once we substitute negative 1.5 for k. You could have done that. But what's going to be easier is to substitute negative 1.5 into k here. Can you see that? So I'm going to put negative 1.5 into the sequence, the series. So it's going to be 16 times negative 1.5 plus 8 times negative 1.5 plus 4 times negative 1.5 cubed. That must be squared there. So that's going to give you 3 over 2. 3 over 2. So 16 multiplied by 2 is 24. No? Is that correct? Negative 24. Negative 24. The next one is going to be positive. So that would be 8 multiplied by negative 1.5 cubed. Squared, sorry. It's going to be 18. And of course that's going to be negative 4 multiplied by negative 1.5 cubed. I'll give you negative 13. Is that correct? Huh? Right. So to calculate the sum to infinity, of course it's going to be this here. Sum to infinity is equal to, what's your a value? Negative 24 over 1 minus your r value. Because it's negative, I'm going to put it in a bracket, which is 18 over negative 24. So negative 3 over 2. Okay. That's negative 3 over 4. Okay. So now we just put that in the calculator. If you want, you can work it out. That would simply be negative 24 over 1 minus the answer, which is negative 96 over 7. Okay. Is that correct? Okay. Any confusion here? You all understand? Okay, so again, once I give you the value for k, we substitute it into the sequence of the series. We get the sequence of the series in terms of a number, in terms of numbers, sorry, and then we know exactly what to do from there. Alright, you guys understand? Again, a series will converge if and only if R is between negative 1 and 1. Okay, provided R is not equal to what? 0. Okay, that's a given already. Alright. And then the next lesson will deal with sigma notation. Alright, so what I want you guys to do now is exercise 7. And exercise 7 is on page 17. So do that exercise. I will check your books. I'll sign your books now as well. So I'll call you up at row by row. Alright, you guys may start.